Hello and welcome back for another week of CoderKitty Decodes LSL. Last week we talked about get and set alpha. This time we're going to do get and set color. It's all very similar, the same basic setup. Create. We're just going to get rid of the wood grain just to make this a little bit easier on the eyeballs. Make one of them a nice pinkish color, the other one black. Remember to open up a script window because I am a derp. All right. So for the beginning, we will start with leave that on a say. Remember that you have to cast this as a string in order to get a usable result because it will come out as a vector. Get color, at which point this will scan the specific item it is in, and you can specify which face, but in this case, it's all going to be the same. This is the actual command you need, get color and which face. It's merely contained inside a say so that we actually can see something of it. All right, we get the vector for the color, which is red, green, blues. So it is 100% red and about 50% blue. So if we wanted to make do this in a different color, we would say down here, set color. In this case, we have to specify where as well as the color, but we first put in the vector 1, 0, 0.5, each of the parts of the vector separated by commas, and a comma to separate arguments, all sides. Now it's going to report to us the specific color we have now, which is 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Tap that, it's back to its nice pinkish color. We can also do a set link color where we add in a link number. That is the first link, so it did not change. Change it to link 2. And we went ahead and changed that one. We can also specify, as I mentioned, a side. We'll pick side 2 for this. And we're going to make side 2 on link 2 black. Because I happen to like the color black, as evidenced by my avatar's fur tone. Let's see where that wound up. There it is. That must have been side 2, because that is now black. So that is, in a nutshell, the syntax and structure of get color, set color, including a set link color. Go ahead and check back each week on Wednesdays for another CoderKitty Decodes LSL, where I just go through and explain the specific syntax and arguments of individual commands. It's meant as a quick reference so you can refresh how to use a given command. But if you want something more in-depth, every Tuesday by noon Eastern Standard Time, I release a CoderKitties workshop video where every lesson is a project and every project is a lesson, where I don't just teach you commands, but I teach you how to use them and how to think through the code itself to make it do what you want, by each week, each lesson being a separate usable object here in Second Life. And there's a whole playlist of them teaching you how to make sheath and draw, teaching you how to make doors, books that will turn, all sorts of various useful things. I even actually tear apart a scene reser system I'd been building at one point. So I'm pretty sure I'm getting to the point where I have something for everybody in there somewhere. So for now, that's it. So good day, good luck, happy coding. Meow.